Hello, this is Master Mo practicing my driveway. This video is about a basic kicking combination. Usually it's the one we learn second. It's roundhouse kick, turn around, roundhouse kick, reverse punch. So let me read the disclaimer first. This video was created as a resource to help students memorize content to be practiced in class. The viewer assumes all risk and liability, hereby fully releasing and discharging the creator of this video and all its affiliates from any and all liability. Never trained without proper supervision or a qualified instructor. Consult your doctor before beginning any training regime. If exercising outdoors, stay hydrated. Okay. So, fighting stance. Kia! All right. Roundhouse kick. You want to land sideways on your roundhouse kick with control in a straight line. Okay, so roundhouse kick, land sideways. You're going to turn around all the way around into almost a fighting stance, kind of a fighting front stance. Okay, so turn all the way around, land solid, then kick again, land your foot, no more foot moving, punching. Kia! I'm going to step back a little bit more. All right, so ready? Try again. Ready? Roundhouse kick, land sideways. And you don't want to land way out like that. You want to roundhouse kick, land in kind of close so you have good balance. And then when you turn around, you don't want to whip around. You want to balance on your front leg, turn around so you land, and not, again, not way out there like that, but land in close enough so you have good balance. Keep your hands up. Then you do your second kick. Then you punch. No more moving the feet. Kia! This is called a reverse punch. A punch that comes from the back leg. Just a little add-on. If I was punching from my front leg, it would be called a lunge punch in forms, in patterns. So from the back leg, or also in kicking combinations. That's called a reverse punch. One more time. Fighting stance, roundhouse, land close in sideways, turn all the way around, good balance, keeping your hands up, roundhouse kick again, land, and punching. Kia! All right, that's it. Roundhouse kick, turn around, roundhouse kick, reverse punch. Happy practicing. See you in class.